I work on the seagrass project with Rivers and Estuary Science. The seagrass project runs from November to March every year, and it involves us going out to 6 sites within the Swan and Canning estuary and assessing the seagrass health throughout those sites. We've got a fantastic group of volunteers that help us out throughout the season. We've got the volunteers that help us out with the logger maintenance, the light logger maintenance. We've got volunteers that help us when we go out in the field and do the quadrats and collect the core samples. And then we've got a group of volunteers that help us out in the lab processing those core samples.
I'm currently doing my PhD working with freshwater aquatic plants in research. And I found it interesting, the rivers here, obviously not as many freshwater rivers. And I heard about DBCA and thought, well, that sounds right up my alley, and I get to play with aquatic plants and just a different type.
We have volunteers from all walks of life. We have a lot of uni students looking to get some experience in practical science, just members of the community looking to doing their bit to contribute.
With this volunteering, I'm in charge with adopting 2 loggers. I need to go down to the logger site and then to make sure they are in the correct position in the coordinate. And also I have to clean the loggers, the algae on it will not collecting the correct data. And if they are not in the correct position, it will affect the data collection.
We can easily have up to 30 or 40 different volunteers that will come and help us out, which is fantastic.
For me, volunteering is something I've always done, really, I think. Just, it's nice to help in whatever way you can. And I recommend everybody should do some of it. You can find something that interests you. I found something that's linked to my field and I get so much out of it. And, it's nice to know I'm helping.
It's good to do volunteering. I can see some ecosystem that is going well, and also the seagrass is very important to the ecosystem as well, and for the black swan and the fish.